good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel once again. If you're new here, hit that sub button. And if you've been here before, welcome back, and you know I'm always coming with the heat. Now, today's a good day because one, I'm excited, and two, y'all are gonna be excited because I'm announcing the giveaway. So in this box right here is a bunch of it's a bunch of papers with everybody's name on it. Let me just try to show y'all. So everyone's names are in here, and one fell out. But this is everybody that entered the giveaway. It's like 230 people, maybe even more, probably like 250, 260. But it's a lot of people. But you're gonna have to stay tuned to the video if you want to see who won the giveaway. And let's get right into it. So today we got a pickup. It's a new recent drop, and I'm pretty excited for it. And I think it's a dope colorway. I mean, of course it's a dope colorway. It is an OG colorway, but let's go ahead, bring it in. So you see we got a box today, and I got my lucky knife. I know y'all are excited, but I'm not about to be cutting myself up. So this shoe right here, it's been restocked and redropped over and over again in different like styles, but the same colorway. And I always thought it was dope. And I just never had the chance to get it, and it just dropped recently. And I was like, you know what? Let me actually try and cop that. So I'm trying not to cut the damn box here. Hopefully we can just, there we go. But yeah, so I'm kind of excited for this shoe. At the same time, I'm not, because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really want to cop it. Like, I love the colorway, but I just didn't really want to cop it. I just didn't think it was worth it at the time. But I'm not really tripping on it. So we got the box open. Let's go ahead and pull this box out. And when I pull this out, y'all are probably going to know what it is. So we got this box right here, size 10 for your boy. Y'all are gonna see the colorway. So y'all probably know what it is by now. This is the Fire Red 5s that just released. And they actually released twice. So Last Dance, the docu-series on Michael Jordan and the Bulls, that has been aired for like 3-4 weeks now. And I think it was like the second series of episodes. Like, they play 2 episodes every Sunday. And I think it was the second series of episodes. These dropped, and it was a surprise drop because they were supposed to drop this past Saturday, which they did, but they dropped earlier. So I was surprised, and when they dropped, I was like, I was actually driving at the time, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna be able to get them. I'm driving right now. Hopefully I can get them when they drop. And they dropped this past Saturday, and I was sitting in bed, and it was like 20 minutes in the drop. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, they're gonna be sold out. And I'm just like, whatever, let's see if I can get a pair. Then I got a notification from this app, and it showed me like a bunch of websites. And on the websites, it was just like a bunch of websites, and one of the websites were completely stopped. So I was like, should I cop? I hit one of my boys up and like, yo, what do you think? Should I cop or nah? And they were like, just like me. So I'm like, whatever. So I ended up copping, and instantly I thought it was a bad purchase. But let's go ahead and look at them because I haven't seen them yet. So we got the box open. We got this nice shiny black paper. It looks like a trash bag, so it's kind of not that nice. But dang, these actually don't look as bad as I thought they would. So here we are. One sec, let me get some stuff moved out the way. We've got the Fire Red 5s right here. And I honestly think these are actually really nice. Like, of course the colorway's sick. I've always loved the colorway. But the leather on them feels really good. The color is just, oh, I forgot about that. See, I forgot the tongue is silver. That's dope. I like that. But this is just simple. I know y'all, in one of my recent videos, I told y'all how I like the subtle bits of like a color popping out, and that's what they do with this shoe. I really like how there's the subtle bit of red, and then you got the red liner in here, and then the same on the tongue liner, you got the red, and then you got the red logo, and then we got the lace lock. So this is like the first shoe I've had with this lace lock, this fat clear lace lock. I haven't had a shoe with a big lace lock like this yet, so this is my first. And I'm excited, man. I don't really know what to say. I do like the icy blue bottoms right here. That's dope with the black freaking midsole, and then some white and red in there. These are sick. And then we got Nike Air on the back in red. And we got a red Jordan logo right here. And let me pull this little plastic piece out so you guys can see the swoosh completely. So I don't know if these come with extra laces. I hope they do. We're about to pull the other shoe out soon, but as you see, we've got a silver logo. Hold on. We've got a silver logo with the red embroidered swoosh right here. That's pretty dope. These are honestly sick. I'm not gonna say I'm too surprised because I've seen Fire Reds before, but I haven't had a pair. And I'm actually happy that I have these because this is like an OG colorway, like a very OG colorway, and it's just one of the ones that I appreciate and I like out of the Jordan colorways. So kind of like the Concords, I've always wanted Fire Reds, but they just weren't as much of a demand for a shoe like the Concords were, so I never really like thought about buying them or anything like that. But these are dope. Let's pull the other shoe out the box. I don't know what is this, man? I don't know what this is. That crap out of here. So let's get the other shoe out the box. Yeah, so they do not come with an extra set of laces as I figured. And I think honestly, bro, what is this mess, man? It's like covering up the sole, or not the sole, the tongue, whatever. I don't know what that crap is, but yeah, same thing on this shoe. Still got that clear lace lock, and then on the inside we have that upside down Air Jordan that you see on 4s and 5s. I think that's pretty dope. Also, the insoles say Nike Air. I don't know how well you can see it. There's a lot of crap in there, but they're tied up really tight too. But you see right there, they say Nike Air. And white on the black sole. So these are dope. The leather quality is really soft on these too. Like, it's actually a lot softer than I thought. So it's like really buttery. And I don't know, they're already kind of creasing right now. Like, I'm just pressing on it. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. I'm pressing on it and they're kind of creasing. So that's not a good sign, but this is still a tough shoe. I really like it. I think it's dope. And that's the only shoe we got for today. So it's gonna be a quick little video. I just want to show you guys the new Fire Reds, go through them with you, let you know how I feel about them. I do like the little clear patch right here that all the 5s have. This one's clear, so that's pretty dope. One thing about the 5s, y'all know I have the off-white 5s, and the best thing about those is that this ankle, Virgil got rid of that big bulky ankle, which I don't really like. I don't like the bulky tongue either, but it's just like, whatever. And oh shoot, we got some white plastic eyelets also. I did not notice that. I wasn't paying that much attention to the shoe, obviously. But they're dope, man. If you can get your hands on a pair, I would suggest getting them just because it's an OG colorway for like the Bulls. So, I mean, who doesn't want a red, black, and white shoe? I also don't have that much red in my opinion, so this is a nice shoe to have. And I got some fits planned for this. These are dope. I actually like them. So now for the moment you've all been waiting for, because I know this is what y'all have been waiting for. Let's go ahead and get to this giveaway. So as you guys know, there's going to be 3 winners. One winner is going to win a pair of shoes, and then the second winner is going to win a $100 Visa gift card, and the third winner is going to win Off-White Jones's t-shirt that you've seen me wear in my past videos, or you can have one of these new t-shirts. These are called like the Staggered Jones's logo t-shirts. That's what I call them. I'm just making up names as I go. I don't really know what to call them, but that's what I'm calling it. If you got a good name to give them, leave a comment in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, drop a like on this video. And if you're enjoying the content, sub to my channel, help me out. Like I said, we are doing another giveaway for some heat. This is going to be, I'm going to be picking a shoe, and whoever wins is going to get that shoe in their size, and it's going to be fire. I can't wait to do it. So make sure you hit that sub button and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, turn on post noties, and talk to your boy. Just be in tune so when we hit 500, you're ready to enter that giveaway. But anyways, let's get on with this one. So like I said, one winner is going to win a pair of shoes, another winner is going to win a $100 Visa gift card, and the third winner is going to win the Jones's Off-White t-shirt, which is very limited because no one has that except for a couple people. Or you can choose if you want one of these shirts. You'll just be able to DM me and I'll show you some of the options that you have. And I'm pretty sure you're going to want the Off-White Jones's shirt because that's the dopest. But also, if you commented a shoe under one of my videos and you win the giveaway, you will be able to DM me if you want to change the shoe. So you'll be able to pick whatever shoe and we'll get that all taken care of. So shake it up. And there's a couple, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, there's a couple in here that I do not want to pick for the shoe. So I'm wondering, I'm gonna pick the shoe first just to get it over with, because I'm kind of nervous for real, because there's a lot of shoes that y'all were suggesting that I don't even have yet, and they're heat. But I've got some money saved up for y'all. So shake it up one more time and let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm not gonna look in there. I'm gonna feel around. Ooh, let's see. Feel around a little bit, and I think I got one. And we got Balls. And I know exactly what this dude's comment is. And he is one of the ones that I was trying to avoid. This guy bought, I'm gonna put the comment up here once, Travis 1 Lows in a size 10. So y'all know those are gonna run me like 1K, but it's whatever, man. I got you. Hit me up. Make sure you DM me. You have 24 hours to DM me so you can get your shoe. And if you want to talk about changing your shoe up a little bit, maybe we can. But anyways, Balt, you are the winner for the pair of shoes. Make sure you DM me. You have 24 hours. Now up next, I'm gonna shake it up again because I kind of see some of the names and I don't want you guys to think I'm just gonna pick someone that I saw. So we're gonna close the box back up. Congratulations to you, Balt. You won yourself a pair of shoes. Now let's shake it up again. And please. Well, it doesn't even matter anymore. I got the hard part out the way. Whoever wins this $100, congrats to you. So we shook it up again. Now let's pick someone. Mix them up a little bit. Y'all can see me over here making rain these little pieces of paper. All right, I got someone. We have Brendan Humphrey. Congrats to you, Brendan Humphrey. Some of the names are typed, some of them are written. If you entered late, your name is written. So like 2 days before this video dropped, you were written onto a piece of paper. So Brendan Humphrey, you entered on my All Hallows Eve video. So congrats to you. You just won yourself a $100 gift card. Brendan Humphrey, you have 24 hours to DM me on Instagram, Twitter, any of my social media, and let me know that you're the winner. If you do not DM me within 24 hours, I will pick another winner in the next video. So I'll keep you guys posted on my social media. If you follow me, you'll hear me tweet about the winners, whether they receive their prizes or not. But on to the third one for the Off-White Joneses shirt. And it surprises me, there was a lot of people that were just saying they wanted the shirt only. And actually this dude Brendan was one of the dudes that said he just wanted a shirt. So congrats to him. He won a freaking $100 gift card, and if he wants to, he can hit me up and get a shirt. He's gonna have to pay for it. It's like, nah, hit me up and maybe I'll look out. A couple of you guys hit me up too. If you've been tuning into my channel and you've been supporting me, hit me up and maybe I can get you a shirt for the free ski. But on to the next one. Y'all see I've been shaking, my arm's starting to hurt. Let's get the last one out. Now this is gonna be the winner for the Off-White Joneses tee. The Off-White belt tee is what I like to call it. We're gonna mix them up again as y'all see me dropping them. All right, mix it up. All right, I'm gonna pick someone. I'm gonna close my eyes, mix it up again, and we're gonna pick this one. Anthony Samparisi. So Anthony Samparisi, congrats to you. You just won yourself an Off-White Joneses t-shirt. Those shirts will not be sold. I don't plan on doing merch unless it's these shirts, but the Off-White Belt Joneses t-shirt, unless there's a high demand for them, I do not plan on selling them. They're gonna be very limited and only a few people will have them, which is why I'm giving one out in this giveaway. So congrats to you. If I get big, you will have a very exclusive, limited Off-White Joneses belt t-shirt that only probably like 8 people have. So congrats to you, Anthony Samparisi. I thank you guys for entering the giveaway. I thank you for subbing to my channel. If you didn't win, stay tuned. There will be plenty more giveaways, I promise you. So you'll have a chance to win. Make sure you keep entering. Make sure you stay tuned. Drop likes on my videos and all that good stuff. Balt, Brendan Humphrey, and Anthony Samparisi, you have 24 hours to DM me. If you do not DM me, you will not get your prize and I will pick the next winner. So, as I was saying, y'all already know me, man. Congrats to you all, and I appreciate you. Next giveaway is for some heat at 500 subs. So make sure you hit that sub button and make sure you hit that like button if you're kicking it with your boy. Drop a comment, talk to me. I respond to all comments. I appreciate you all. Y'all know I stay drip. I hope y'all like the Fire Red 5s because they are pretty tough. I do like them. I can't wait to try them on. And I'm going to start posting some pictures to Instagram so you guys can see. But as always, I stay dripped out. It's your boy Joneses. Peace.
I need my medicine, light up a blizzard to keep me from stressing. Bitch, I'm a hippie, I keep me a glizzy. The reason that I can do all of this flexing. You cannot press me, I do all the pressing. The same as my brothers that sit in my section. If they're not with me, they hearing this phone. Reasons that I got all of these connections. I ran up a check and I ain't do no stretching. I want the neck of brain like she get lessons. Been touching money since in adolescence. I love it, it keep me from antidepressants. I'm sending shots if you fucking my session. And if they ain't get it, I resend the message. Over here living and counting the blessings. You